Hi Ethan, I have a surprise for you. Surprise toy. Ta-da!
Cool.
Go open it, Ethan. Come here. Let's go here. Yeah. So guys, we have a surprise toy for Ethan today. It's called the Busy Hands Tool Set. Here, baby. Open it up.
I'm the special guest.
Here, open the toy, baby. Go. Nice. It's for 3 years and plus, but that's okay. He can play it. Open it up, baby.
Oh no, Mom.
What? Okay, let me help you. Sit down. There you go. Just open the open the latch and open it up.
Wow.
Wow, you can play with it.
Look, here's a hammer.
So they got a hammer,
Whatever.
wrench.
What is that?
I think this is another type of wrench. This is a screwdriver. And screws. Oh, yes.
And more a screw thingy, whatever. Oh, and I found a ruler and a place.
So you get a plier.
Oh, and I have a joke. Look.
That's not you. That's for Ethan.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, watch this.
Go play with it, Ethan.
Go play with it.
Open it up.
Oh, look, oh. Cool.
I think it's better if you take this bag off of you. Go play with it, Ethan.
Whoa! Oh, let's look at the wrench. Let's look at the wrench. Ethan, look. Whoa! Look at. Yum, yum, yum. I want to eat Ethan's finger. Yum, yum, yum.
Play with it, Ethan.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. What does this do? Oh, cool. Let's go.
Nice. Whoa, that's nice, Ethan. That's cool. Wow.
Go. Whoopsies. Oh, so cool.
Nice. Can you play with Gavin? Can you play with Gavin? Wow. So Gavin and Ethan are playing. Put it there.
Ethan, look.
Teach him how to play, Gavin.
Look. Ethan.
Look at Gavin, Ethan. That's okay. Let him play.
Hey guys,
Hi.
look at me.
Whoa, why'd you put it on your ear? Hi.
It's a chomping machine. Whoa, it can open so long. I'm gonna eat Ethan's hand. I'm gonna eat Ethan's hand. Oh, and check out our last episode with the Lego.
Yep.
And subscribe to my channel, Gavin's Toy, and Gavin's Game HD.
Hi.
Hey.
Whoa, careful,
this is
Ethan.
the hammer.
Play with your toys.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Hammer. Oh, what's this? It's a screwdriver. Let's take out the screws. Here's the screws. Ethan, look. Here's the screws. Where's the one for this one? Whoa, cool. Oh, cool. Look. Ethan, look. Oh, wow. So cool. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this.
Whoa, that's not how you do it, Ethan. That's for measuring.
Whoa. How is this?
Keep playing, Ethan.
Oh, what?
Here. Use your tools.
guys, look at what I did. It looks weird. It's a tiny battle mace for now.
Nice. What did you call that, Ethan? Whoa. That's a hammer. Why'd you throw it at Daddy?
It's a hammer. Look. Look. Whoopsies. It's on my shirt. Hammer's up there. Hammer's up there. Hammer's up there.
Nice.
Hammer the bear, Dad.
Okay, guys. Say bye, Ethan.
Say bye.
Subscribe to his channel.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.